We're told that once a Zener diode breaks down in the reverse direction, the current through it only changes slightly as the voltage across it varies. Is this true or false? Well, if we look at this, the first thing that we're going to be looking at is that it's a Zener diode. So in the notes linked below the like button, we can just do a Control F and look for our reversed bias Zener diode model. And we're going to have a diagram that looks like this. Zener diodes are diodes intentionally operated in the reverse breakdown region. They're used as voltage references. We've noted this a little bit before. Modeled by a DC battery in series with a small signal incremental resistance, which is our RZ. We can see that current flows through here. We have our voltage for the battery, and then we have a resistor right here. We also have these equations here as well. So this is our Zener diode. Now, breakdown in the reverse direction. This is true because if we look at it, it's going this way, right? Now, the current through it only changes slightly. That's the next thing that it's asking us. So we can highlight this. Current through it only changes slightly. Is this true or false? Well, this is going to be a big false. So when we look at this, we can see that this is going to be what our current is kind of referencing. And this is a huge difference. This is a humongous difference. It's exponentially in the reverse direction different. So we can look at this next part, and this next part is going to say something similar, and it's going to say as the voltage across it varies. Well, we can see that the voltage, which is our x-axis, doesn't change very much here, when our current, which is our y-axis, changes greatly here. And so that means that this is also false. So this is entirely false. If it were to say once a Zener diode breaks down in the reverse direction, the current through it varies. If so, the current varies as the voltage only changes slightly, that would be correct. So if we were to flip the two phrases, that would work. However, since it's not, it is false.